What's up, YouTube? It's Kaya Trades. We finna go over our charts. That's not right. Okay, we're gonna go over our charts, check the news, and get our day started to see if we can catch something out the market today. I'm a little bit running behind, but I'm still on time. It's a rhyme for yo behind. Oh, no, I'm just playing. Today is December 1st, so we're gonna go to that date. And we have 9 a.m. news, so that probably already happened. So let's zoom out here. We got to start on our daily time frame here. We're looking a little bearish on our daily. Let's see about our 1 hour. All right, as of right now, we're pretty bearish. Not really. It's really neither here nor there. We look like we might be either going to this 1 hour zone, see what happens after. All right, we have a break of structure to the upside, so we have a trend going upwards as of right now. Price did not continue up, and we're starting to see if we can get some breaks of structure to the downside. So I may be interested in some sells for today. I don't know what this was doing, but my news was at 9 a.m. Looks like nothing really happened. And then my market open will be here at 9:30, 8:30 my time. Perfect. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, looks like some pretty interesting bearish structure going on. I see a nice little level right here that we can wait for price to come back and tap to enter for some sells. I love it. Let's see if we can catch something today. I'm not afraid to take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand. Y'all know that one. Let's get in our element. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, I got my certificate. I printed it out. We barely have black ink, so it didn't really print beautifully. But I'm going to try to hang that bad boy up right there, just to kind of keep myself motivated in what we're here to do. All right, and we have a couple minutes here until market opens. Again, still looking pretty bearish. Let's see if we can get a break of the lows. Let's see if it invalidates or holds our zone. And that's not a break of structure, that's our London high. And then we also have our London low here. You think I can make it back in 59 seconds? Hold on. Oh, I fell. Baby, you see what I mean? I be doing dumb stuff. Now I gotta edit that out because I fell. My camera didn't want to track me. That's crazy. Let's see. $11 seconds. Let's see if we can get a nice tap. We are not getting in unless it taps here and breaks the candle. So we will be patient. Waiting for a beautiful tap. Let's go. It wants us in this trade, guys. Maybe it doesn't want us in this trade. Still got 4 minutes, so. I think it wants us in this trade. Some people might even catch these buys right here. I'm mostly looking for bearish action just because we're in a bearish trend. Daily time frame's bearish, so we'll see if we break through the zone or not. I didn't quite tap it. We have this nice gap right here. Which gives me confidence in this trade setup, as well as the confluences of higher time frame and lower time frame alignment. So we shall wait. I put electrolytes in here, and it's okay. It just doesn't taste like water, which is what I was wanting to taste. If y'all know, y'all know. Like, it tastes like a watered down Gatorade. I don't really care for that, but we're gonna drink it. We're getting into running, so we need to be hydrated so our muscles don't cramp. I'd much rather taste a watered down Gatorade than catch a cramp. So. Ooh, all right, take a break. I really want regular water. Maybe I'll try a different flavor. I tried this flavor here. It's lemon lime. Come on, Tap. You got a minute. Let's go. Let's go. I could enter aggressively, but usually when I do that, stopped. Oh, I want to see what price is doing, and then I want that confirmation. And then once we get into the trade, we'll look to the side to see where price could potentially fall to. See if there's any liquidity for price to go get. Come on, give me a little tap. Give me a little tap. Nobody has to know that you dipped a toe. Dipped a toe. Come on. No reason to hide. Get all the way in. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Cool. Give me a little tap. We shall see. We got the tap. Now we will put a order limit here. Of 10. We're gonna wait because it hasn't quite closed yet. Let's see. Still waiting. Nice and patient. Let's see if it invalidates this zone. Looks like we got an invalidation. So this idea is scratched. Is market pushing higher? That'd have been nice liquidity to grab down there. Let's go back to our higher time frame, see what's going on. Still kind of bearish. On the run. I'm already knowing. So we went right here. We took some liquidity. So let's see what price does. This was the only break of structure I saw. Okay, there's a small break of structure there. And I could just be trying to fight it. So we're gonna delete here and see what happens. Definitely might invalidate this zone. Who knows? Let's see if price wants to hold. Let's see. Price just hit this 1 hour level, so it could be just trying to shoot up. This zone is invalidated too. Let's again check. Yeah, we hit this 1 hour zone. We broke this candle here, but we have this strong wick, so we could potentially be looking for some buys now. Let's see. Had a nice rejection there, so let's see. Might get in for this sell. It didn't quite tap, but there was a little gap right here that it kind of went towards. So we'll just kind of see. Price could be wanting to go higher. We didn't make a new high though. That's my big thing. And it's still bearish here too. We broke some more lows. So it's like this is now a new zone. But it wicked it, so it's like, ugh. I think it wants to give us a tap. I'm cool with that. Again, aggressive entry would be here. And I could probably add on to this. All right. Let's see. Nice. Great trade. I am in aggressively in sells. So we'll see. One is about to hit. Maybe not. Ew. Ew. Please don't stop me out, bro. Look like I still want to go up. If that's the case, that I'm done with this trade today because my ideas aren't working for the sells. Yep, stop me out. 240. Yep, none of my ideas are working today, guys. So we are done on the day. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, I know. I am not leaving a what's it called? I'm not leaving a runner. A lot. That's why we ain't leaving a runner. We hitting the window one. We up 700 right now. We moved our stop loss to 460. Yep, up 600. Shoot it for 990. Yeah, that was it. Was a little much. It is. I need to be better. I don't like. We literally talked about this. How I just need to wait for the move to happen, and then order to get my move. This was my move, and I almost missed it because I was fooling around. Not with chess, but kind of. No, yeah, and still in my direction. This is still the bears are still in my direction, which is what I wanted. But I was looking at the buys and I was like, bro, I guess I ain't got nothing today. But it was still middle of the DAC session. We still got the whole session left. That's crazy. But the fact that I identified my setup is crazy. I identified it just by looking. I turned my head back to the charts, and I was like, bro, that's exactly what I was looking for. In all honesty, that was exactly what I was looking for. It just needed some time to get there. I was thinking too small of a zone. Let's go TP. stopped out in profits, up 300 on the day, done for the day. I know it's gonna hit my TP, but I'm cool with what I got. Yeah. Yeah. Look, this was my setup, but I got in late. I'm in the kitchen. Yep, watch it go smash my TP. That's crazy. Yeah, I got in on the. So the technically my strategy would have been the break of the pink candle or the break of the green candle, but I got in late because I looked. I tell you, I looked at my screen. I'm like, bro, I marked out a line to show where my zone was. Boom, there it was. I'm gonna be hurt because this TP finna smash, and that's gonna be another $400. I'm up on the day, so I ain't tripping. Gotta be better, man. I don't know why I be rushing. I know my trade's gonna play out. Ew, baby, it's finna smash my TP. I got too nervous. Yep. Mm-hmm. Dang, bro. I wasn't. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I don't know why I wasn't confident. This is what I was waiting for. Ugh. Journaling now. Ew! $900 play left on the table. Sorry. Sick, bro. Sick. I'm cool though. Like, I mean, I made my profits for the day. Watch that, babe, 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 babe. Watch this John fall the rest of the day. All I had to do was be patient. Let me write patience bigger on my board. That's crazy. Okay, so I think my mental block for this was I was scared to have a losing day in general. Cause I was, yeah, cause I was, yeah, I was already past break even, which I didn't even need. Like, I didn't lose a lot on the first trade. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, to make 900. Yeah, which it would have hit, but still, that's. I think I was just afraid. Yeah, I was afraid to lose. Yeah, I was afraid to lose. No one is going. No one is gonna drop the rest of the day. I don't even want to look at it, bro. I don't even want to look at it. All right, y'all. I'm out for real this time.